Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Story of Motherhood. If you know you have not subscribed on this channel, please do. And don't forget to click on that notification bell for you to get notified anytime I'm on live or upload a new video. Thank you for stopping by and don't forget to share my video. Thank you to all my old subscribers and the new ones too. So today I'm going to be showing you my mother's recipe. You know, I promise you guys that I'm going to be bringing the recipe for flu, cough, and cold for adults. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So I have a lemon, sliced lemon, onion, sliced onions. I have salt here, and then of course I have water. So now the pot is on the fire already, and then we need to put water inside the pot. Yeah, so that is 1 cup of water, and then another cup of water. Depends on the quantity you want to do. So this is one lemon, and this is onion and sliced onions and salt. So we are going to be putting the lemon inside. We're going to be putting the lemon inside. The water is boiled already, and then we are going to be putting the onions too inside. All this contains strong vitamin. Lemon is very good, onions the same. This is very natural remedy for cough, for flu, and for cold. Yeah, and this remedy, it's for adults. You know, last time I did the remedy for kids, so today we are doing the remedy for adults. So we are going to be using all this onion, 1 spoon of onion. Actually my spoons are really big. Yeah, so we're going to be using this one. It's okay. And then we're going to be putting it inside the water. So these are very like the onions. The onions has a lot of vitamin that is very strong for cough, for flu, and for cold. Also the lemon too, we all know this, right? Yes, so this remedy, this natural remedy was used. I saw my mom using it for us and it's worked perfectly. So I've always used it. So I've always used it. So we're going to let it boil. We're going to be letting it boil. And yes, we are going to be letting it boil. So guys, right now we are winter, right? Right now we are in the winter season. So guys, we really need this. We really need this for our health. You know, especially with mothers, it's not even so good that we don't take care of ourselves, because when you break down as a mother, it is not really nice when you break down as a mother. So you have to be strong for your kids. So we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt inside. Yeah, that is okay. And then we're going to wait for 5 minutes. Yes, we're going to wait for 5 minutes, guys. So the water is boiled already, so we just need 2 to 3 5 minutes, depends, for it to wash inside. But guys, do you know my own, I find out that my mother do this as a remedy for cough, for cold, and for flu. But guys, I find out on my own that you can actually put a black tea inside, you know. So I will be drinking this as if it's going to be like my tea, because it really tastes good, you know. So I will be taking it like a tea, not like a herbs or a medication. So I would just enjoy it, because really it's really nice. So I will be using mine. I will be adding black tea inside mine, but you can choose to use green tea, black tea, that is okay. Yeah. Wow, this is good. And the honey make it also very nice, that you don't actually feel bad about the taste. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys use the natural remedy for the kids, the one I uploaded last week. So, but this is for adults. This is actually for adults. Like I said before, kids don't need this onions inside, and kids don't need salt. They just need lemon and honey. Yeah, that's what the kids need. So this has boiled for 2 minutes, and it's really okay. So, and this is a bag of black tea. So I'm waiting. This is a bag of black tea. So I'm just waiting, guys. I'm just waiting because it's so cold right now, and a lot of people are feeling so bad with flu, with cough, with cold everywhere, even our kids too. So guys, it is ready. Let me give it a taste. This is ready. You don't need to cook it too much. This is ready. Wow, this is good. This is working very fine. So guys, it's ready now. So I'm sorry. So I'm going to be grabbing my funnel, of course, and yeah, I'm going to be grabbing my funnel. Sorry guys. So a lot of it just poured out, but never mind. So that is it. Then I'm going to be grabbing some of the lemon inside. Yeah. So perfect. So guys, so that is just what we need. For a quick remedy. And guys, if you have little fever, this also work very fast, you understand? So I will be taking mine with a black tea. Come on guys, look at the color from this. This is really nice. This is what I will be taking today. Hope this has helped you. Try this remedy. It's really nice. Thank you. And don't forget to share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this natural remedy. Thank you, and bye for now.